Do is we are going to get ourselves a pan and put all the ingredients for the orange sauce. That's the garlic, the chopped ginger, the sugar, followed by the light brown sugar, the rice wine vinegar, the soy sauce, and the orange juice. We're going to put that on a hob and we're going to cook that through until everything is combined and the sauce mixture begins to thicken. Once the sauce has cooked through and cooked down a little, we're going to add the corn flour slurry to thicken the sauce to desired consistency before removing from the hob for later use. And now onto the chicken. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to dice our chicken and brine it in water and 2 tablespoons of salt. To do that, we're just going to cut the chicken into small 2cm chunks or so, and then we're going to soak it in water with 2 tablespoons of salt for around 2 hours. We're then going to add the chicken after it's brined to the first lot of corn flour, and we're going to add a little bit of MSG to that, and we're going to thoroughly coat. What I didn't put on the video is the next step is that we're going to add 1 egg to the chicken and we're going to mix that together to form like a thick batter. We're then going to prepare our next corn flour bath with corn flour and our 2 tablespoons of custard powder. We're going to throw in our pre-battered chicken, and again we're going to thoroughly coat this until every bit is coated in corn flour and comes apart with ease from each piece. We're then going to fry that at around 180 degrees C, between 170 and 180 is fine, for around 3 to 5 minutes. The chicken should just about be cooked. It doesn't matter if it's a little bit under, because once we remove and drain on a kitchen towel, it is going to continue cooking, and then when we come to frying it with the orange sauce, it will cook that a little bit more. So once it's drained and cooked, we're going to preheat a wok before adding our chicken that's been pre-cooked and our orange sauce. Yes, the pan does look dirty, but I had done a portion prior to that, and here we go, the finished article. A lovely, sweet, sticky orange chicken. Could be served with anything really, but I chose on this occasion to serve it with rice and garnish it with spring onion greens. I hope you enjoy this as much as I did. As per usual, if you would like to leave a comment, please do so, or hit that like and subscribe button, or click the notification button to be informed of future episodes. I have linked 2 previous episodes. If you would like to go and have a look at them, please do so. Have a lovely evening. Goodbye.